One of the top selling products on Etsy is jewelry, and if you've seen my previous videos, you now know that PRINTIFY offers print-on-demand jewelry pieces that can be engraved. This is huge. But I've noticed that a lot of you are hesitant in listing these print-on-demand products because you're unsure on how to make a mock-up photo if you don't have the product in hand. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can make a high-quality mock-up photo that you can use to sell these print-on-demand engraved jewelry pieces in your Etsy shops. I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's jump in. The first thing we're going to do is jump into PRINTIFY. If you haven't seen my previous video about the engraved jewelry, definitely go check it out. I will provide the link for it in the description below. This product is going to be huge for us consistently all year round. It is an evergreen product and it has so many spikes throughout the year for different holidays and occasions. I'm going to click on this one, for example, here, and we're going to go to start designing. Now, I showed a full tutorial on how to make designs for this engraved jewelry. I'm going to quickly show you a simple way here by going over to personalize and add personalizable text. Now, here is where the text box is. I'm going to erase this and I'm going to write 444. If you know, you know. I'm all about my angel numbers. And now I'm going to choose a font for this. I'm coming up here and PRINTIFY offers a bunch of different fonts. I'm going to go with this one. And then the next thing you do is you come to preview. Now there's two ways of doing this. I like to just take a snapshot, so I'll do Command Shift 4, which will bring up this little thing, and you drag it down and it snaps a picture of it and it will be on your desktop. Another way, you can just right click and then do Save Image As and save it that way. The next thing that I'm going to do is come over to Pinterest. In Pinterest, in the search, I typed in necklace. I'm going to find a picture that I like, that's appealing to me, that I think could be a good mock-up image for my own shop. I'm going to choose this one here, and I'm going to right click, Save Image As, and I'm just going to write example mock-up. Now, the reason why I didn't snap a photo of this is because I don't want these buttons in it. So it's easier to just right click and save image. So now that is on my desktop as well. The next thing I'm going to do is go into Kittl. Okay, here we are in Kittl. As most of you know, I use Kittl to make designs for my print-on-demand products, but I also use them to make mock-up images and mock-up videos. As you can see here, I'm going to show you exactly how we are going to make these engraved jewelry from PRINTIFY mock-up images and also a mock-up video so that you can optimize your Etsy listing. If you do not have Kittl yet, you can try it for free with the link in my description below, and you can purchase any of the Kittl plans 25% off if you use code JennyShopYT. Let's get into it. And we are going to come over to new project, and I'm going to do 2000 by 2000, create. The next thing I'm going to do is upload that screenshot from PRINTIFY. So I'm going to come over here and upload my photo. I'm going to make this bigger. Now I'm going to come up here to Artboard and click that, and then add AI image board. So this is a part of Kittl Flows. We're taking one image and turning it into another. Now the next thing I'm going to do, because I'm not super great with prompting, I'm going to come over here to the chat bubble. This is integrated with ChatGPT. And now I'm going to upload the picture from Pinterest. And I'm going to say I need a prompt to make a mock-up image to sell my necklace. I want the mock-up to look something like this. I want my engraved necklace added on top. Send. Here's a prompt that you can use, and always make sure you read it to make sure that it's aligned with what you want. Create a mock-up image featuring a close-up of a person's neck wearing my engraved necklace. The necklace should be the focal point with a softly blurred background to highlight its elegance. The overall look should be warm and inviting, similar to the example image. Perfect. So let's copy this, and I'm going to paste it here. And now let's see what it can make for us. If you're still watching, can you do me a favor and comment Kittl in the comment section below? One, this lets me know that you're still here, and two, it helps boost my video in the YouTube algorithm, so thank you so much. Perfect. So within less than 15 seconds, I have a high quality mock-up photo. Now Etsy allows up to 20 product images. I personally don't do all 20, but this Kittl Flows is a great tool to continue to make more mock-ups that you can showcase within your Etsy listing. We can either flow on from this one, or we can come back to the original one and click here, add another board, and now we have the option to make another prompt. So down here I'm going to say, make me another prompt that will provide a different style mock-up image for my necklace. Oh, I like this. Create a mock-up image featuring my engraved necklace displayed on a minimalist jewelry stand. Use a clean modern background with soft lighting to highlight the necklace's details. The overall look should be sleek and contemporary, emphasizing the elegance of the piece. Love it. Copy and then paste it here, generate. And as you can see, it takes about 15 seconds to generate. No problem. I mean, 15 seconds compared to hours of trying to make your own mock-up image, you can't beat it. And boom, there is another example. Let's say we want to change this one. Maybe we don't like the stand. Maybe we don't like seeing the necklace hanging behind. So this time, instead of clicking artboard 1 up here, we're going to make sure we're clicked onto this one here, add AI image board, and that now flows from this one to this one. So it's not going to affect this one or this one. So I'm just going to say, now I don't know if this makes sense, but we'll say, this is what I mean by me making prompts. Make it a different stand without seeing the back of the necklace hanging down. Okay, great. And then we could even take it even further. Let's say I'm going to add another one. Make the stand look like it's rose quartz. Let's see what it would look like on a pinkish stand. Ooh, I like it. For my crystal lovers out there, if you know, you know. So isn't that awesome? We can make mock-up photos that quickly, and now we can sell Printify's engraved jewelry so easily. Do not let the mock-up photo hold you back any longer, especially now that we have this tool. Now the next really cool thing that I want to show you, an added bonus, let's go back up to this one. We're going to do add AI video board. Now I'm going to make a video for my Etsy listing. I'm just simply going to say, have the woman touch the necklace, generate. Now this takes a little longer, about 2 minutes, but super worth it. Let's check it out. Perfect. That's all you need, is a quick little video to optimize your Etsy listing, and Kittl can do it for you in less than 2 minutes. Make sure to check out my other YouTube videos on how to use Kittl to make high quality mockups. A lot of my viewers are really enjoying the one on how to make embroidered mockups, so I will put the links to those other videos in the description below. Also, make sure to grab my free Etsy shop checklist. I will provide the link in my description below, but make sure that your shop is set up properly. A lot of you are missing out on some key things. And if you want to take things a step further, maybe you're struggling to make sales on Etsy, it might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop, which is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. I do a video recording of the things that I see that you are doing right, the things that I see that are hurting your sales, and how you can improve those things, along with a bunch of hidden gems. You can learn more about my Etsy shop reviews with the link in my description below. If this video helped you, please give me a like, subscribe for more Etsy print on demand content, and I'll see you in the next video.